I've been missing Dollywood, but I'm not there. I'm not even close to there. I'm in Florida. It's in Tennessee. So I'm going to do the next best thing and pretend I'm there by making their famous bread in a different way. So let's go make it.
So I got this pizza dough that is pre-made, so it's dough. I got a pan and some parchment paper. I also have some melted butter and some brown sugar and cinnamon. So basically, instead of making an actual bread, like you would form this dough and slice it and blah blah blah, I'm just gonna cut it up into little balls and dunk it in the butter, and then I'm gonna put it in the parchment paper, kind of like make a pull apart bread, but in Dollywood style. Let's try it. So I've done this bread before in the normal Dollywood bread style. Once we, the day we came back from Dollywood on a vacation, we went there and I missed the bread so much, I was like, I need to make the bread. So I found a bread recipe, which is this one. I didn't make it the same because they didn't have brown sugar last time, so I just used regular sugar. But it was just bread. So I'm gonna try it a little bit different this time. And all these measurements are not measurements because I didn't go by the measurements. I'm just going by my heart. Just going by my heart, and that's what you need to do too, because everybody's different with the sweetness level and stuff like that. Pretty much you're going to dunk it and drench it in butter, and then we're going to move it into the coating stuff and then put it in. Let's make it. Let's make it. This kitchen smells delightful. It's almost done. It only has 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. And it's done. Oh, it smells delightful. It looks so good. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. It'll kind of turn into like a pull-apart bread, but I don't need to pull it apart. It literally just fell apart because all of it so good. And to finish it off, oh yeah, that frosting is made out of powdered sugar and milk. So you just mix the two together until the consistency you want. We're gonna go in for our first bite. Oh yeah, that takes me back to Dollywood. It's so good. You need to make some now. You need to do it. See you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.